Hello, good morning. My name is Ajay Kalpindodi. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in Jethra College. And today's video topic is different types of methods presenting to C. The first of all, we can see in the today's session what is meant by string and what are the use of the string and what is meant by strings method. So and what are the different types of the strings method are present in the string is shown into the in details into the today's video session. So first we can see what is meant by string. The string is an object. It is used to store the collection of it is used to store the sequence of the characters. Means we can string is a collection of the sequence of the character. So it is also we can call as a string is a character array. Then first we can see the what is mean by methods in string. The string string is a class. That's the reason the string various types of the predefined method are present into the string class. That's the reason we can access the many types of method are method are accessible to directly into the string class. The first method we can see the first is a uppercase. What is meant by uppercase? The uppercase method, we can all this data is converted into the form of uppercase. Means randomly data are present into the like string name is Ajay. It is uppercase as well as lowercase. The uppercase element are remain as it is, but the lowercase element are present lowercase character are present into this string. It will be converted into the uppercase. It is used to the uppercase method. Then lowercase method, same as vice versa. It is opposite to the uppercase method. It will be converted into lowercase. Then we can see the concat method. This concat method are used into the concatenation. Means we can create one string name is Ajay and second string name is Devde. This will be we can create we can use a method as a concat by using the plus sign. This will be output will be provided into the Ajay Devde. It is a concatenation method. Then we can see the length method. This will be length method used into the string to the define the length of the string. It means the actual length are present in the string. It will be defined by using to the length method. And then we can see different second method is next method is a index of. This index of method we can check the second string. This second string are present in the first string. This will be checked and give the return into this index. Now start with the start with method used to the check the method start with method used to the check the string. The first string will be present in the second string. It will be checked by using to the start with. Then ends with, it is the same but it is opposite of the start with. It will be checked to the ends with. It will be checked from the end of the strings. Then second method is present into the trim. This trim method we can use to the trim the space present into the leading and trailing space are removed by using the trim method. Then the split method. This split method used to the split the data in the form of the into basis of the character as well as in the basis of the space. We can create the string array, and this will be stored into the string array by using to the split method. Then the compare to method. Then compare to method is used to the compare the both string address and also it's compare the both the string, and it will be output will be show into the its difference. Both the string to the compare to ignore case method. This compare to ignore case method, it will be used to the compare the both the string, and it will be present some uppercase and some lowercase data. This will be compared to ignore case by using this will compare and give the output is ignoring case. Means ignoring case. Then equal to methods. and equal to methods and equal to methods. The equal to methods are most important method into the Java. This equal to method used in equal to method is present into the string class. This equal to method is a check to the characters. Each of the string characters sequence are checked. Means we can take one string is Ajay and second string is Ajay. Second yes to string is Ajay. We can both our string character are check and give to the output is equals true and false into the boolean form. Then equal to operator. This is the operator used into the check the both are the strings address. This strings address both strings address are same or not by the check using to the equal to operator methods. This will be all up to the strings method. So let's thank you and take care.